Have you ever considered making your own game development YouTube channel? If you ask me right now if you should do it, I would say yes, 100%. You have to do it. You should do it. Because I really think with the right mindset, creating your own YouTube channel along with your game can increase the chance of your success and the chance of you seeing it through. And you might be wondering how and why. I already have so much to do, anyways, for the game development, so much to learn. Why would I go out of my way to add more things on my plate to do, even though it's not directly contributing to the game I'm making? You'd be correct if it was the case. However, I'm here to tell you that it actually contributes pretty directly. In fact, the impact is so large and directly beneficial to your game that I would even go as far as to say YouTube channel creation for indie devs are kind of required. So here's my 4 reasons why I think you should start your own YouTube channel for your indie game. I don't know about you, but I get such joy and satisfaction from small achievements. You know, the same feeling you get when you finish a project and stepping back and enjoying your creation and basking in its glory. Like the time when you posted that picture of the meal you cooked, or that time where you posted your own pixel art and then in the social media it kind of blew up. That small burst of dopamine gets you excited and makes you want to do it more. Posting a devlog on a YouTube channel is a lot like that. You plan your deliverables, which is a industry speak for a small presentable package, and you work towards completing that to show in the devlog. And when you post it, you see the responses from your friends, family, and your viewers, and that satisfaction gets you to want to make more of it. And in order to make more, you need to do more development. Now, I know what you're thinking. Couldn't you get that same satisfaction by yourself? Why do you have to make a video and post it in public to get that satisfaction? You could just check off a list of things to do and get the same effect. And that leads me to the next point. See, there's something special about having a community and sharing with group of people. Don't ask me why I was looking into this, but I saw this study the other day on the Journal of Applied Psychology that the key to achieving your weight loss goals, which is notoriously difficult, is confiding in others. Sharing your goals keeps you accountable to attaining them. Now, the caveat is that the person who you're sharing with, you have to care for their opinion. But you do care because the audience for your devlog is actually the audience for your game. And you should care because the audience of your game is your players. Yes, you're right. These benefits I've mentioned so far can also be achieved by just joining a community of game developers or finding a friend that shares your excitement for game development and confiding in one another and keeping yourselves accountable, which is a great thing to do. So I'm not saying don't do that. However, I think the next 2 points I'm about to make is only achievable on YouTube. And I think it's really potent ingredient towards your success. Now, let's think back to the time where you decided, I want to make some games. I want to be a game developer. Is it because you like creating art? Is it because you like coding? Or you just like creating something that others enjoy and seeing the joy in them? Whatever the reason, I'm pretty confident in saying that you didn't just get into game development because you wanted to take care of, say, marketing. You see, the YouTube algorithm is designed to look for that person that would be interested in your content. And naturally, thinking about and optimizing that thumbnail, that title, that content material that would be interesting for the type of people you are trying to target makes you think about your potential audience for the game. Like, what do people want? What do they want to see? What makes them enjoy these type of content? Nowhere else can you find this type of training in real time. You see immediately if people are interested in your content, if the art is popping enough for people to want to click. YouTube has this amazing capability to help you learn marketing. Once you start seeing and collecting your audience, you start to see the demographics and type of people that are watching your video. Let's say you were making a game that you want to target, I don't know, general population, but In the analytics of your audience profile, you see that only the people from ages 25 to 35 are watching your video. Well, this gives you an opportunity to pivot the design of your game to further target that audience. Or you know now that the design does not properly target the audience you intended. So you can change something. And did I mention the feedback is almost immediate, which is great for learning. You change a little thing, you see the response, and then you fix it, you see the response. It's great. So, caring about the success of your YouTube video brings this unexpected success for your game. And once you start digging further into how to improve your YouTube channel and how to engage more people, you start to see this thing about storytelling. Well, the storytelling is a bit of a buzzword in the content creation world, and it's for a good reason because storytelling is a key ingredient in increasing your engagement for your video. And guess what? The skills you would learn to better tell stories to increase this type of engagement is the same skills that you would need in order to make your game more engaging and immersive. And I don't think I have to connect a dot for you there. You understand why storytelling is important in games and why immersiveness and engagement is important in games. And just like the point about marketing and thumbnail and title, you get almost an immediate response to if you're going the right direction with your engagement and storytelling. Of course, this means that you actually have to care about succeeding in YouTube content creation, not just your game. And this goes back to the point I made in the beginning that you need the right mindset. And that mindset is a desire to improve. The lessons you learn as you become a better content creator are the tools that you would need to make your games better. But this is only the beginning, just about why you should start a YouTube channel and how it can help you make a better game. But game development is more than that. There are other important aspects to make your game development journey more successful. And what better way to learn than ask those have gone before us? So watch this unfiltered, sometimes brutally honest advices from other indie devs at PAX West and hear about what else you need to become a successful indie developer. Well, that's it from me, and I'll see you there.